Today we welcome 150 students from urban and rural schools all over Southwest Ohio for a day of activities and interactive workshops centered on Mexican culture.
Las jarras.
These are juniors and seniors, and usually they are in the third and fourth year of Spanish.
I brought my Spanish for kids because it's so wonderful when you can take them out of the classroom and they can use their Spanish in the real world, so to speak. With me, they become a little bit comfortable, you know.
Quedan cuántos grupos más?
They're in this protected little place between the walls, and then you come out here and you speak Spanish to someone and they understand it, and it's like a magic spell. Oh my gosh, it worked!
I feel like this is a great way for me to branch out and explore the Spanish culture a little more.
We will want them to practice and do some hands-on activities without the pressure of being graded. They're just here to enjoy Spanish and learn new things about Mexican culture.
It's a Dia de los Muertos theme. This is a celebration, a Mexican holiday where they remember those who have passed away, and we remember and celebrate their lives.
Coming from a smaller town, this isn't something you usually see, so I think that this helps to see how the life of a college student would be if you were to go into Spanish.
There's a ton of people participating, way more students than I expected.
It's a little intimidating because I'm also learning Spanish as well, so I'm trying to talk continuously for 20 minutes in a second language.
I like that my students are hearing all kinds of different Spanish and different accents from professors from different places, and then seeing that they are not just on an isolated little bubble, there are students everywhere on the same learning journey, and we can all sort of celebrate that journey together today.